Now for y-axis, you have position on the left hand side. The scale type is linear. So you have the option of taking log as well. So if you take a log, so it will convert the scale to log. So for us, let's take as linear. Start is auto. So you can make a start from 0k over here. It has started from 0k. So you can make it as anything like 1500 or something like that. Okay, so it will start from 1500. So you can see that the scale has changed to 2k, right? But that is not means if you don't put anything, it will automatically take based on the data, whatever be the data range. Okay, text size of the x-axis. So will increase the text size of it. You can see it's increasing and it's now getting decreased. You can change the format of it. So calibri, put as calibri. Okay, and display units. You change the display units to none. So if you change the display units to none here, it will show the numbers in the absolute numbers and not in thousands. Earlier it was showing as 1000 by default. Okay, so title is on. Okay, so if you put the title off, it will not show the count, and if you put the title on, it will show the title. Okay, so you can just hide the title because this is self-explanatory. So if you hide, it will show the numbers. Okay, now the color is, you can make it as black. So all this color became black. So grid lines, if you make it to no off, then there is no grid lines. The moment you click at LES, the grid lines are appearing. So I would prefer not to use anything. Okay, now default color is something like this. Now if I do a show all, it will show by all the cities, it will show at the same color. But for example, you want to see only all the Madrids, anything related to Madrid, you want to see it in this particular color. Okay, so it will change this particular color for all the Madrid, all the properties in Madrid. Okay, so this will all change into this particular color. Then you have the option of display units that we have selected. Orientation is horizontal. If you put a vertical orientation, the legends gets aligned to vertically. Now if you move to the plot area transparency, you can increase or you can reduce the transparency over here. So add an image, it will add an image at the back end, at the background. So you can have a background image around it. So title is about the title of the chart. So count of street by street. So you can say that property distribution, Airbnb, property listings, distribution in. Okay,